In recent years, the demand for online counseling therapy services has surged, driven by the increasing awareness of mental health and the convenience of virtual platforms. If you're passionate about helping others and considering starting your own online counseling therapy business, this video will provide you with a practical and detailed guide to get started. Step 1. Research and planning. Begin by conducting thorough research to understand the legal, ethical, and professional requirements for starting an online counseling therapy business. Familiarize yourself with licensing regulations in your jurisdiction, as well as any specific guidelines for online counseling. Develop a comprehensive business plan that outlines your target audience, services offered, pricing structure, and marketing strategy. Clearly define your niche and identify what sets your counseling services apart from others in the market. Step 2. Obtain necessary qualifications and licenses. Ensure that you hold the required qualifications and licenses to practice counseling in your jurisdiction. If you plan to offer specialized services, consider obtaining additional certifications. Clients are more likely to trust and engage with a therapist who possesses the necessary qualifications and adheres to professional standards. This step is crucial for building credibility and establishing a solid foundation for your online counseling therapy business. Step 3. Choose a platform and set up your online presence. Select a secure and user-friendly platform for delivering your online counseling services. Consider options that offer end-to-end encryption to protect client confidentiality. Create a professional website that reflects your brand and provides essential information about your services, qualifications, and contact details. Ensure your website is easy to navigate and include a secure client portal for scheduling appointments, completing intake forms, and facilitating communication. Step 4. Marketing and branding. Develop a robust marketing strategy to attract clients to your online counseling therapy business. Utilize social media platforms, online advertising, and search engine optimization to increase your online visibility. Establish a strong brand identity that communicates trustworthiness and compassion. Consider offering free resources such as blog posts, webinars, or downloadable guides to showcase your expertise and provide value to potential clients. Encourage satisfied clients to leave reviews or testimonials to build credibility and trust. Step 5. Implement secure and effective online practices. Prioritize client confidentiality and data security by implementing secure communication and storage practices. Use encrypted video conferencing tools for online sessions and educate clients on the importance of a private and distraction-free environment during sessions. Develop clear policies and procedures for handling emergencies, informed consent, and session cancellations. Regularly update your skills and stay informed about advancements in online therapy practices to ensure you provide the highest quality services to your clients. In conclusion, starting an online counseling therapy business requires careful planning, adherence to professional standards, and effective marketing strategies. By conducting thorough research, obtaining the necessary qualifications, choosing the right platform, and implementing secure practices, you can establish a successful online counseling therapy business that makes a positive impact on the mental well-being of your clients.